In this video, I'll show you how to use the undo and redo commands in AutoCAD to improve your editing workflow and recover from mistakes quickly. The fastest way to undo an action is by pressing Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac, which reverses your most recent change instantly. You can repeat this shortcut multiple times to step backward through your editing history. If you prefer using the interface, the Quick Access toolbar also includes undo and redo buttons for easy access. For more control, you can type UNDO or simply U into the command line and specify how many actions you want to reverse at once. To redo an undone action, use Ctrl+Y on Windows or Command+Shift+Z on Mac. Just remember that redo only works immediately after an undo operation, so performing another action may clear the redo history. These commands are essential for reducing errors, testing design ideas safely, and speeding up drafting work. With regular use, undo and redo become second nature and can dramatically improve efficiency in complex projects. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you work smarter and design with confidence.